Good morning. This is a recording for Wednesday, June 11th. The Zen story for today is titled The Monk's Last Footstep. The wind erased their footprints as soon as they were made. Akio walked on, unhurried, as the younger monks behind him whispered of omens. Akio had taught them many things, but today he simply walked. The path twisted through a frozen meadow, each step pressing into the thin layer of snow, leaving behind a fleeting imprint. The younger monks watched the footprints form and fade as the wind carried the frost away. They wondered why their master had brought them here without a word. Halfway through the meadow, Akio stopped. He turned, looking at the path behind him, then slowly lifted his foot and placed it forward. A sudden gust of wind erased all traces of their passage. One of the younger monks, Haruki, broke the silence. "Master, our footprints." Akio nodded. "Yes." Haruki hesitated. "Then where have we been?" Akio smiled, his breath visible in the cold air. "Where are we now?" The wind carried his words away before they could settle, and the monks stood in silence, watching as the last trace of their steps disappeared into the white expanse. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body and arrive in stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath enter your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What remains of the steps you have taken in life? What remains of the steps you have taken in life? How do you embrace the present moment when the past fades so quickly? How do you embrace the present moment when the past fades so quickly? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for. protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. As always, I am putting them and suggestions for practical moments of Zen into our private circle group. Enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.